Good morning. I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe. Here's a look at your Thursday forecast. The wind returns today. It's going to feel bitingly cold again with wind chills running in the single digits and teens all day long. For high temperatures, most of us only get into the mid-20s, even up north. Barely cracking 20 degrees, and with the winds it will feel so much colder than that too. We'll have at least a lot of sunshine though. It'll be a bright day across the area. Here's wind chills as we go through time. This is about noon. You can keep track of the time up here and notice most of us feel like the single digits. 10 degrees will be the feel like temperature in Manchester, 11 degrees in Portsmouth, even sub-zero in some communities up north with some of the stronger wind gusts that will reduce the wind chills. And you can see that continues all the way through the afternoon and into the evening too. So a bitterly cold January, bright day ahead of us here. During the morning hours, maybe a few patchy clouds, but out toward the west of us, we're tracking a storm system, and this one is going to bring in some significant snow to portions of the mid-Atlantic. Right now, it's kind of in its infancy at the moment, but it's going to continue to track eastbound during the day today, picking up more moisture, more intensity. And it's going to bring some very heavy snow to areas to our south. This is a look at all of the different watches and warnings that have been issued. The Washington, D.C. area is under a blizzard watch because not only will you get the heavy snow, but likely there will be very gusty winds associated with this system as well. This is one computer model, and it's giving you an idea of where the heaviest snow will be, and it's well to our south and west. It looks like the mid-Atlantic states getting in on this big one. So we could be talking in Washington, D.C., especially just to the west of that city. There could be upwards of 2 feet of snow, so a historic storm down there. You notice for us, it is far less. The track of this storm staying much to the south, so that means barely any snow for us as we get into the weekend. Here's the latest on Futurecast. So today we'll have mostly sunny skies. Up north you'll have probably more of a mix of sun and clouds, and that continues all day long today. Tonight with clear skies, temperatures are going to be cold, falling into the single digits across the state. Tomorrow, our Friday, looking like another good winter day with some clouds up north, sunshine to the south, and a little bit warmer, temperatures a degree or two warmer. Then on Saturday, here comes that storm, and you can see there will be a sharp cutoff as to who gets even clouds. But it looks like a mostly cloudy day from Concord southward on Saturday, and the clouds will start to work in from the south to the north. Now you notice there will be some brief snow showers, I would say from Concord points to the south, maybe even Manchester and points to the south overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. It will not be a lot in the way of accumulation, maybe a coating to 1 inch if we're lucky. So this is really just a brushing blow with barely anything coming out of this system. But a great ski weekend ahead. Today and tomorrow we'll have sunshine. Tomorrow even better because we'll have less wind, and over the weekend just a few clouds, temperatures in the 20s for highs. Get out there and enjoy the ski conditions. And looking beyond into next week, temperatures actually moderate a little bit, getting into the 30s for highs, even mid to upper 30s by midweek. A few snow showers possible on Wednesday, but that's about it. Thanks for checking out the forecast. Have a great Thursday.